Let's get ready for Izzy's? Sino si Izzy? Izzy's event. Yan na, dahil galing pa ako sa gym. So, first things first, maligo. Skin prep done, body care, hair medyo dry na. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko dyan, pero we'll see. Pero I'm gonna attempt a darker makeup look. Keyword is attempt, and ganito sanang eye, pero we'll see. Hopefully, kaya ko ito tapusin in an hour. Hopefully. It's the teeth whitening strips. I don't know if dapat na ba ako maglagay ng contacts now or later. Do I want to see tonight? Do my brows first and then eyes and then later na yung base kasi feeling ko magpupunas-punas ako ng under eye after. And fill in ko lang the sparse areas kasi magmumukha yung kalbo sa picture. Concealer lang on the lids. What I learned with my masterclass with Bianca, thank you Bianca, is I have protruding eyes so medyo bulging out na yung eyes ko when I look to the side. So all I have to do is not deepen the crease but extend my eye outward. So far, medyo madungis tignan, pero we'll find a way to fix it. Natuwa ako mag-glitter. Okay na to for now. Vitamin Enriched Face Base. A bit of Radiant Serum. Let's try the Tonisia Base Routine. Foundation na hindi ko shade. Girl, ever since that beach trip, wala na akong naging shade ng foundation ko. Feeling ko mababawi naman to ng bronzer. So I have yung face brush and sabi niya, tap it in, buff it in. I'm just gonna blend this down nang hindi maging ombre ang face ko. Just gonna pat this in dito sa may under eye area kasi hindi siya maabot ng brush. Color correct with Popic. And this dark spot over here. Wow, now na very flat and jump scare ang face natin. Let's add some warmth back. Bronzing and contouring. Hindi ko alam kung anong blush gagamitin ko. Kung di paghaluin ko na lang. Tapos hindi nyo naman mahahalata. Both na lang. Hindi ko rin alam eh. And just apply her here and here. AC contour na Husk ginamit ko. Husk ba? Yes. Highlight a little bit. Let's do my under eye. Yung tira lang ng brush ko, isa-sweep ko lang underneath here and connect it to this line. Kasi medyo parang na para bang ni-ruler siya. So, we just have to soften that. Gonna do a little tight line. I think this is much tight line I can do na hindi matatakot yung grab na masasakyan ko. I do some bronzer. First layer of setting spray. Okay, and then I'm gonna do some perfecting powder. Tapos kung ano matira. Saan yung pinang-set ko? Saan yung nilagay? Tinago niyo ba? Saan yung brush ko? I'll be back with lashes and lips. I have 10 minutes to do my hair, so we're doing a half up, half down, and hope for the best. Okay, nakalimutan ko mag-end. So this is the result. Actually, maganda yung buhok ko kanina. Naka-ano ko, slick back moment. Pero kasi, sumakit na yung brain cells ko. Medyo natatanggal na yung follicles ng buhok ko sa scalp ko. So I had to take it out. Nawala na rin yung lip combo ko. Suot ko na rin yung Izzy shirt.